Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. Just a general observation. Now we are seeing the dollar move higher against all the major currency pairs. The euro versus US dollar is making new lows. So is the pound versus US dollar, and the dollar versus Swiss is making a new high. And that's being reflective in a move above the 50% midpoint of the move down from this high going back to the end of June to the low price that we saw in the month of July. That 50% retracement comes in at 0.8784, and that's now going to be a close support level for traders in this currency pair. You can see that earlier in the day during the European session, the price moved up to that 50% retracement and found sellers, but then recovered back to the upside and broke above over the last 2 or 3 hours of trading. So that level is now support for the dollar versus Swiss. The price action in trading here today did see the price move below this trend line. This is an old trend line here that was formed back here. We broke above it here, then reestablished resistance against the level here and here and here. And in trading yesterday, the price moved above the level and used that level as support on the upside during the Fitch downgrade. We saw the dollar move to the downside here, and you can see that sellers tried to lean against that level here, but could not. Price moved above, retested the trend line right through here, and then moved to the upside. So it's kind of a weird trend line, but it has been acting as a support or resistance level, and has certainly helped the technical bias for the pair today. So what next now? I have this level right through here as a next target. I wouldn't necessarily call it the best off the hourly chart, but certainly 0.88096. If we get above that level, that would open the door for a rotation toward the 61.8% retracement of the same move to the downside of the level comes in at 0.888387. It also happens to correspond with just these little swing lows through here that became resistance through here before moving to the downside. So I think that's probably a level that should be paid attention to from traders on further upside momentum. On the downside, again, watch the 50% retracement as close support. Let's just take a look at the weekly chart to see where we stand, because you have to go to the weekly chart because the price over the last few weeks has moved sharply lower and traded to the lowest level since 2014. As you can see, it's trading this week. The price has moved now back above this low price, going back to the low price from 2021. That level comes in at 0.87568. Let's go back to the hourly chart, and 87568, 0.87568 is somewhere around here, and the price is above that level, so we're going to be watching that level as well on any sort of dip to the downside. It's basically where the high price came in through here before moving to the upside. So be aware of that, but the 50% retracement is close support. So there you have it, a look at the technicals for the dollar versus Swiss. The bias is looking a little bit more to the upside here for the pair, not only on the weekly chart on the failure of the break to the lows, but also on the hourly chart moving above the 50% retracement level. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.